HyperPresent AI is shaking up the AI software world, and if you're wondering whether it's the best just released AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also share where you can get access to HyperPresent for free. First, let's talk about its core functionality. HyperPresent AI is designed to automate the creation of professional, engaging presentations. This isn't just any ordinary presentation tool. This software uses advanced AI to generate slide decks based on your input, saving you hours of work. The beauty of it is in its ability to analyze your content and create visuals, text, and layouts that fit seamlessly into your vision. So, whether you're presenting to executives or creating a marketing pitch, it offers a sophisticated yet user-friendly approach. One of the standout features is HyperPresent's ability to integrate directly with multiple platforms, such as Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to continue using the presentation software you're familiar with while adding AI-powered enhancements. This is key for anyone who needs the best of both worlds. Automation and customization. What truly sets this software apart, though, is its smart recommendations. HyperPresent AI doesn't just generate slides, it suggests improvements, alternate content layouts, and data visualization options based on the content you're working with. It's a game changer for people who struggle with knowing how to best present their information. Another major selling point is how fast and easy it is to use. The platform has an intuitive interface, so even beginners can quickly jump in and start producing top-notch presentations. You simply input your text or ideas, and the AI takes care of the rest, generating fully designed slides in minutes. It's a time saver for busy professionals or anyone who doesn't want to spend hours tweaking PowerPoint slides. But what about the accuracy? HyperPresent AI's machine learning algorithms are continually improving, which means that the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your style and needs. It also takes feedback into account, so you can refine your preferences and let the tool learn from them over time. Of course, one of the big concerns with any new software is whether it's scalable for your business or project. Luckily, HyperPresent AI offers robust collaboration features so you can work in teams without hassle. You can invite others to edit, comment, or even view presentations in real time, which is crucial if you're working with a group to finalize a presentation quickly and efficiently. Now let's talk about the cost. HyperPresent AI offers a completely free trial so you can test out all of its features without any upfront commitment. This is a huge plus for anyone on the fence about making a purchase or subscription. If you're looking to try HyperPresent AI, check the first link in the description below to access your free trial. By now, you might be wondering how it compares to other AI tools in the market. While there are other AI-powered presentation tools out there, few match HyperPresent's ease of use, customization, and integration options. It's a perfect fit for businesses, educators, or anyone who regularly needs to create high-quality presentations without the usual time investment. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the best, just-released AI software to boost your productivity and create impactful presentations, HyperPresent AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can get started with a free trial right now by clicking the link in the description below. And if you're someone who loves testing out AI tools, I've tried thousands of them, and I've got a list of my top recommendations for you in the description. So, after giving HyperPresent AI a shot, be sure to check those out and find the right software for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.